Hi, I want to learn latte art.
How fun! Do you have an espresso machine?
Not yet. What do you recommend?
This beginner machine is great.
Does it have a steam wand?
Yes, for frothing milk.
How much is it?
$149.
What else do I need?
A milk frothing pitcher.
Stainless steel?
Yes, 12-ounce size is perfect.
And coffee beans?
This medium roast is great for lattes.
Anything else?
A latte art pen for details.
That is so cool.
And a thermometer for the milk.
What temperature is best?
Around 140 degrees.
How much for everything?
$195 total.
A good investment for my morning coffee.
You will make cafe quality lattes at home.
Hi, which milk is best for latte art?
Whole milk is the best.
Why whole milk?
More fat means better foam.
What about oat milk?
It works too. We have a barista version.
Barista version? What is that?
Extra creamy, froth's better.
I will get one of each.
Whole milk and barista oat milk.
Does the brand matter?
Not really, just make sure it is fresh.
Check the expiration date.
Exactly. Fresh milk froth's better.
How much milk should I buy?
For practice, buy a lot.
That much practice?
Latte art takes time to learn.
I am ready for the challenge.
2 half-gallons should be enough to start.
Thank you for the tips.
Good luck with your latte art.
Can we watch you make a latte?
Of course. I love showing people.
What pattern do you do?
I will make a heart, the basic one.
How long did it take you to learn?
About 2 months of practice.
2 months? That is not bad.
First, I pull a perfect espresso shot.
It looks so dark and rich.
Now I steam the milk.
That hissing sound.
That means the milk is getting hot.
How do you know when to stop?
When the pitcher is too hot to hold.
Now the pouring?
Yes, high first, then low and slow.
I see the pattern forming.
Now I pull through. See? A heart.
That is beautiful.
Start with hearts, then try leaves.
You make it look so easy.
It takes lots of milk and patience.
Okay, my first try. Here we go.
First, the espresso shot.
Press the button. Done.
That looks good. Nice and dark.
Now I steam the milk.
Watch the temperature.
140 degrees. Got it.
The foam looks thick.
Is that bad?
A little too thick. Make it smoother.
How?
Tap the pitcher on the counter.
Like this? Good. Now I pour.
High first, then low.
I am pouring, pouring.
What is that?
It is a heart. Kind of.
It looks more like a ghost.
A heart ghost. My new style.
It tastes great, though.
Taste is what matters, right?
Right, but keep practicing.
Tomorrow morning, try again.
Watch this. My 12th try today.
You have been practicing all week.
Steam the milk, tap it, pour.
That is a heart, a real heart.
I did it.
It looks like the cafe.
Almost. Still a little wobbly.
But so much better than day one.
Your ghost latte?
Do not remind me.
Let me try a leaf pattern.
A leaf? That is harder.
Pour, wiggle, pull through.
Wow, that actually looks like a leaf.
Not perfect, but close.
I think you are better than me.
Because I practice more.
I waste too much milk.
We have been through 6 gallons.
6 gallons? Wow.
Worth every drop.
Our own cafe at home. Hi, I need pastries to go with coffee.
What kind of coffee?
Homemade lattes.
You make lattes at home? Fancy.
My wife is learning latte art.
Croissants are perfect with lattes.
Butter croissants?
Yes, fresh from the oven.
They smell incredible.
I also recommend almond biscotti.
For dipping in the coffee?
Exactly. They are crunchy and sweet.
I will take 4 croissants.
And the biscotti?
6 pieces, please.
Anything else?
Do you have muffins?
Blueberry muffins, baked this morning.
2 muffins, please.
Your total is $18.
Perfect. A weekend cafe breakfast.
Enjoy your homemade lattes. This feels like a real cafe.
Croissants, muffins, and lattes?
Let me make you a special latte.
A heart.
I will try a tulip this time.
A tulip. That is advanced.
Watch, pour, wiggle, stack.
Oh, that looks amazing.
A 3-layer tulip, my best one.
You should open a cafe.
Maybe someday.
Now it is my turn.
Go ahead, show me what you learned.
Steam, top, pour.
It is?
A heart. A real heart this time.
Tom, you did it.
No more ghost lattes.
I am so proud of you.
The croissant with this latte is perfect.
Every Saturday morning, this is our thing.
Our homemade cafe tradition.
Mike, want a homemade latte?
You make lattes now?
Tom bought us a machine.
I would love one.
Watch this. I will do latte art.
Latte art at home? Impressive.
Here you go, a heart.
Wow, that looks professional.
It took weeks of practice.
Have you been to Italy?
Not yet, but we dream about it.
The espresso there is incredible.
I heard they drink espresso standing up.
At the bar, very fast.
We like to sit and enjoy.
American style. Nothing wrong with that.
Do you like the biscotti?
Perfect for dipping. Where did you buy it?
The bakery on Oak Street.
I should start my mornings like this.